The model the Copilot is doing as opposed to the personal chat GPT kind of use is that it's collecting data from different personas within certain organizations, say the CEO, the human resources department, the admin people, the accountants, the finance, the operations people, the IT teams, and also information from the customers, queries, requests, etc. So, and through establishing connections between the different interactions between all these different actors within the, say, the Microsoft platform for that specific organization, the Copilot starts establishing patterns and connections and bridging the dots between, and that way the Copilot builds very good comprehensive understanding of the operations of the organization, which will help the model to provide much refined and fine-tuned and relevant and pertinent responses to all the actors within that part of organization. Again, this poses a serious privacy issue because the model reaches an understanding of the company which might be not available even within the company or for people who are operating within that company, but it helps the company to maximize the utility and the benefits that they can get from artificial intelligence. So it's some sort of trade-off that you want to mitigate as the management of the company, as the executive management of the company. You want to mitigate and balance that trade-off, and that's part of your artificial intelligence strategy design, is to what extent you want to be exposed to the model and bearing in mind the risks and the benefits that this strategy will bring to your company.